What's up, everybody? It's your boy Justin here with another Big Dog Breaks. We're doing the 2019-2020 Panini Prizm Draft Picks. Here we go. And first, before we start, I want to say real quick, rest in peace, Kobe Bryant. Very sad day in the basketball community. I mean, tragic helicopter crash. Died way too soon, man. We're going to miss you. You were one of the greats. I mean, rest in peace, Kobe. All right, let's get started. We broke a few boxes yesterday. Wasn't nothing too special. Hopefully today we're going to get something real good. A nice Zion numbered card or autograph. Hopefully we get something good. Let's see. Here we go. And if you like the channel, please like and subscribe down below. We'd really appreciate it. We're just getting started. We'd like to have a lot more breaks coming soon in the future. All right. Got a Brandon Clark. It's a regular. Ty Jerome. Ooh, orange Kevin Porter Jr. It's a nice card. There we go. All-American Hitchamara. And if there's any breaks you'd like to see us do, please comment below, and we'll try to get those done. Variation. Oh, a Zion. Oh, two Zions. There we go. A silver and a base one. But Zions is what we're looking for. Zion and John Morant. Put these over here. I pulled a few Zion cards. No autographs or number cards, but hoping to get one of those. DeAndre Hunter. Oh, another Zion. Man, this box is... Oh, another one. Box is loaded with Zions, and that's a silver right there. Romeo Langford. All right. Doing a lot better today than yesterday. Let's get us that auto, man. Get us that autograph card. Autograph Zion Williamson. All right, we got Mania, Thibault, oh, Silver Pascal, Nick Claxton. These packs have been pretty loaded. I first started opening them. I got about 3 Zions out of one pack. Looks like this pack here is doing the same, but I had a little dry streak for a while. Only gotten 2 autographs out of, this would be my 8th box opening. Ooh, nice. John Morant Crusade. It's a nice card there. Real nice. PJ Washington. Tyler Herro, blue. Another PJ Washington. 2 more packs to go in this box. And if you like the channel, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. We're going to have a lot more content to come. We have a bunch of boxes in the mail coming, and if you'd like to see any of them done, any certain particular boxes, please let us know. And we'll also be doing live breaks in the future as well, so stay tuned for that. Kevin Porter Jr., Darius Garland, silver Cameron Johnson, and a Crusade Jarrett Culver. Zion this year, man, he just came back a couple days ago. He's been having some games. First game, scoring 17 points. He really killed it. I was at that game. That was an awesome game. Big Pelicans fan. Grant Williams, Kobe Martin, Mario Shiak. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. And a Jackson Hayes. All right, so that does it for that box. One more box to go. Let's see what we get here. Side. All right, let's see how this box does. Zion Auto, baby. Zion Auto. All right, Nasir Little, Tyler Harrow, Admiral Schofield. That's a blue one. Jalen Noel. Like to get an autograph in this box. That'd be real nice. Darius Garland. Crusade. Oh, another Crusade in the bottom. Grant Williams. Hitchamara Crusade. That's a silver. That's nice. Keldon Johnson. If anybody's completed the set, please down below let me know. That's one thing I'm working on is completing my set. It's a really great rookie draft class this year. I know everybody wants the regular Prisms, but this one's pretty cool, I have to say. Gerald Brantley, Dylan Winder, Justin Wright Foreman, blue, and a Bruno Fernando. 4 more packs to go. Jalen Hands, All-Americans Grant Williams, Carson Edwards, blue prism, oh excuse me, blue silver, and Jalen McDaniels. Let's straighten these piles up a little bit. Man, that first box had a bunch of Zions in it. We haven't hit one in the second box yet. Maybe we can get that going right now. Get the Zion autograph. That'd be great. Or a numbered Zion. Those cards are selling for a lot of money on eBay right now. Daniel Gafford, Ty Jerome, a silver DeAndre Hunter, and a Crusade RJ Barrett. All right. 2 more packs. Here we go, autograph. Come on, baby. Jarrett Culver, Nick Claxton, Hitchamara Crusade. I haven't seen that one yet. That's a nice card. And Dewan Hernandez. Last pack. Here we go. Tyler Harrow Crusade, Tremont Waters, all you Louisiana fans out there, LSU, go Tigers. Jarrett Culver, so silver, and a Cameron Johnson. So that concludes the 2-box break. Nothing too great. I mean, we got a couple Zions, but no autographs or numbered cards. But stay tuned to our channel. We'll have a lot more content coming in the future. This was Panini Prizm 2019-2020 draft class, and we'll have a lot of the regular Panini Prizms, the NBA version, coming soon. If you'd like to see any other content, please let us know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If this big dog breaks out, y'all have a good one.